Can these old clothes really be turned into brand new clothes? Here is your new shirt, carefully folded.
Transporting thousands of garments toward the recycling area.
Keep the blues separate. What about these jackets?
The automated sorting system processes enormous quantities of old clothes, directing different colors and types into separate giant collection bins.
Utilizing the latest in sensor technology, our system efficiently identifies and separates metallic contaminants like zippers and buttons from the textile stream. The massive industrial separator processes a huge continuous stream of old clothes, removing unwanted buttons, zippers, metal pieces, and other debris. After being sorted and cleaned, the materials are ready for the next stage. The clean, dry clothes are transferred from the drying section and proceed directly into the next textile recycling machine. The recycled fibers pass through the fine cleaning machine. Here, fine screens and cleaning roll. The soft recycled fiber web passes through large compression rollers that gently consolidate the fibers into a uniform continuous textile feed. Rollers remove remaining dust and tiny unwanted particles, which opens them up and distributes them into a consistent fluffy layer, ready for carding.
The carding machine takes tangled fibers and processes them into a soft, thin, parallelized web for recycling.
This is the carding machine, where tangled fibers are transformed into a smooth, continuous web, ready for the next stage of recycling.
Guided and stabilized as it emerges on the other side. In the textile production hall, multiple large carding machines operate continuously, processing recycled fibers into soft, uniform webs.
The uniform recycled fiber web is gathered and gently condensed into a thick, soft, continuous fiber strand called sliver. Thick strands of recycled fiber enter the spinning zone. Here, high-speed spindles twist them into fine, durable yarn. This continuous process creates high-quality, sustainable thread.
Hundreds of spindles spin in perfect unison. This process breathes new life into recycled industrial bobbins. This ensures seamless precision in every spool.
These bobbins of recycled yarn are now ready. They transfer smoothly to the massive weaving section. This modern facility maximizes every resource.
Recycled yarn bobbins are loaded automatically. Hundreds of threads interlace at high speed. A fresh sheet of fabric emerges continuously, redefining the future of textile manufacturing. Continuous sheets of recycled fabric, woven with precision for a sustainable tomorrow.
Our certified recycled fibers are moving. They transition from the weaving line to automated rollers. Every roll is wound tightly for sustainable production.
Our automated system scans every millimeter. It ensures perfect texture and consistency, guaranteeing high-quality recycled textiles.
Recycled fabric enters the continuous dyeing line. Saturated in vibrant liquid, the transformation is complete. Emerging as a perfectly colored, continuous sheet, freshly dyed fabric enters the finishing line. Large rollers apply controlled pressure to smooth and soften. It emerges perfectly flat, uniform, and ready. Freshly dyed fabric enters the heated chambers. Controlled airflow ensures a perfectly smooth finish.
Our automated system ensures every roll is wound with perfect precision. Finished rolls are automatically transferred to organized storage. This process maximizes efficiency and safety.
Here, precisely cut recycled fabrics are perfectly aligned by automation. Industrial machines then stitch them into finished garments, redefining sustainable fashion.
Every garment is checked for perfect stitching before being carefully arranged on industrial racks. Every garment is carefully packed, loaded with absolute precision, ready for dispatch to part.
Here is your new shirt, carefully folded.
Perfect. I will pay with my phone. Thank you.
Here is your receipt. Have a wonderful day.
If you enjoyed this old clothes to new clothes factory process,
Please like and subscribe.